డాక్టర్ బిఆర్ అంబేద్కర్ కోనసీమ జిల్లా విద్యాశాఖ మరియు జిల్లా ఉమ్మడి పరీక్షల నిర్వహణ సంస్థ సంయుక్తంగా సమర్పిస్తున్న గణిత ఆడియో క్లిప్స్ 2026 మార్చిలో జరగబోయే 10వ తరగతి పబ్లిక్ పరీక్షలు రాసే విద్యార్థులకై 1 మార్కు ప్రశ్నలు జవాబులు. చాప్టర్ 1 రియల్ నెంబర్స్. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. స్టేట్ ఫండమెంటల్ థియరమ్ ఆఫ్ అర్థమెటిక్. Answer. Every composite number can be expressed as product of primes, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. Find the prime factors of 140. Answer. 140 is equal to 2 square into 5 into 7. Next question. The unit digit in 6 power 125 is dash. Answer 6. Next question. Find the HCF of 12, 21 and 15. Answer 3. Next question. Find the LCM of 12, 21 and 15. Answer 420. Next question. The total number of factors of prime number is dash. Answer 2. Next question. 6 power n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number n. Is it true or false? Answer false. Next question. The product of a non-zero rational number and an irrational number is dash. Answer always irrational. Next question. HCF of 144 and 420 is 12. Then their LCM is dash. Answer 5040. Next question. If the HCF of 60 and 110 is expressible in the form of 60m minus 110, then the value of m is dash. Answer 2. Write a number having prime factors as 2 square into 3 into 13. Answer 156. Next question. Two positive integers a and b are written as a is equal to p cube q square and b is equal to p q cube, where p and q are prime numbers. Then HCF of A and B is equal to dash. Answer P Q square. Next question. If HCF of 20 and 35 is 5, then LCM of 20 and 35 is dash. Answer 140. Second chapter, polynomials. First question. Create a quadratic polynomial, the sum and product of whose zeros are equal. Answer. One solution is x square minus 5x plus 5. Next question. Generate a quadratic polynomial with the sum and product of its zeros are 1 by 4 and minus 1. Answer. One solution is 4x square minus x minus 4. Next question. Create a quadratic polynomial, the sum and product of whose zeros are root 2 and 1 by 3. Answer. one solution is 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1. Next question. Create a quadratic polynomial, the sum and product of whose zeros are 0 and root 5. Answer. One solution is x square plus root 5. Next question. Create a quadratic polynomial, the sum and product of whose zeros are 1 and 1. Answer. One solution is x square minus x plus 1. Next question. Create a quadratic polynomial, the sum and product of whose zeros are 1, 5 by 3. Answer. One solution is 3x square minus 3x plus 5. Next question. Create a quadratic polynomial, the sum and product of whose zeros are minus root 3 and root 3. Answer. One solution is x square plus root 3x plus root 3. Next question. Create a quadratic polynomial, the sum and product of whose zeros are 0, minus 6. Answer. One solution is x square minus 6. Next question. The degree of a biquadratic polynomial is dash. Answer. 4. Next question. The graph of the polynomial px is equal to 3x plus 1 meets the x-axis at the point dash. Answer. Minus 1 by 3, 0. Next question. Create a polynomial whose zeros are 3 and minus 2. Answer. One solution is x square minus x minus 6. Next question. The number of polynomials having zeros minus 2 and 5 is dash. Answer. Infinite. Next question. Create a cubic polynomial which is a binomial. Answer. One solution is 3x cube plus 6x. Next question. Write a polynomial of degree 4 having constant term is minus 6. Answer. One solution is 3x power 4 plus x cube minus 6. Chapter 3. Pair of linear equations in two variables. First question. General form of linear equation in two variables is dash. Answer. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a square plus b square not equal to 0 and a, b, c are real numbers. Two linear equations in the same two variables are called pair of linear equations in two variables. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 are two linear equations. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, where a1 square plus b1 square not equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, where a2 square plus b2 square is not equal to 0 are two linear equations. If a1 by a2 not is equal to b1 by b2, then these are consistent and the lines are intersecting lines. Next, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not is equal to c1 by c2, then these are inconsistent and the lines represented are parallel lines. If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to C1 by C2, then these are consistent and dependent pair and the lines are coincident lines. First question. Create a linear equation which is parallel to the given line 2x plus 3y plus 8 is equal to 0. Answer. One solution is 6x plus 9y plus 5 is equal to 0. Next question. Generate a pair of linear equations which are dependent. Answer. One solution is 3x plus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0 and 6x plus 4y plus 10 is equal to 0. Next question. Generate a pair of linear equations which has no solution. Answer. One solution is x plus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0 and 5x plus 10y plus 12 is equal to 0. Next question. Generate a pair of linear equations which are parallel or inconsistent. Answer. One solution is 2x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0 and 4x plus 8y plus 12 is equal to 0. Next question. Create a linear equation which intersects the given line x plus y is equal to 36. Answer. One solution is x minus y is equal to 4. Next question. Create a linear equation which intersects the given line x plus 3y is equal to 6. Answer. One solution is 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Next question. Create a linear equation intersects the given line 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. Answer. One solution is 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Next question. Create a linear equation which intersects the given line 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. Answer. One solution is x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Next question. Create a linear equation which intersects the given line 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. Answer. One solution is 4x plus 5y is equal to 23. Next question. Create a linear equation which intersects the given line x plus y is equal to 36. Answer. One solution is x minus y is equal to 4. Create a linear equation which intersects the given line is 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. Answer. One solution is 2x minus y is equal to 5. Next chapter, quadratic equations. First question. What is the general form of quadratic equation? Answer. ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 where a not equal to 0. What is the discriminant of the general form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0? The discriminant is b square minus 4ac. What is the nature of roots for the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0? If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the nature of roots are two distinct real roots. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots are equal. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, there is no real roots. If x square plus x minus 12 is equal to 0. Then the roots are dash. Answer, real and unequal. Next question. If x square minus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0, then the roots are. Answer, real and equal. If x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0, then the roots are dash. Answer, not real numbers. If the roots are real and distant, then give one example for the quadratic equation. Answer, 7x square plus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Next question. Form a quadratic equation which has 1 as one of its roots. Answer, one solution is x square minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. Next question. Form a quadratic equation whose roots are reciprocal to each other. Answer, one solution is 2x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. Next question. Form a quadratic equation which has equal roots. Answer, one solution is x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. Next chapter, arithmetic progressions. Some formulae in arithmetic progression. First term of an arithmetic progression can be represented as A or A1. If A1, A2, A3, etc. An is an arithmetic progression, then its common difference D is equal to dash. Answer, D is equal to A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2, etc. That is difference of any two consecutive terms. Next question. What is the general form of arithmetic progression A, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. That is the nth term of An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here A is first term, n is number of terms, D is common difference. What is the sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression? Answer, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Here n is number of terms, a is equal to first term, D is equal to common difference. Or Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus L. Here n is number of terms, a is first term and L is last term. Next question. The sum of first 101 whole numbers is dash. Answer, 5050. Next question. The sum of three consecutive terms of AP is 48. Then middle term is dash. Answer, 16. Next question. In an AP, minus 18, minus 16, minus 14, etc. The 10th term is dash. Answer, 0. Next question. If 3, x, 11 are in AP, then x is equal to dash. Answer, 7. Next question. The sum of first 5 multiples of 7 is dash. Answer, 105. Next question. If in an AP, A7 minus A3 is equal to 32, then common difference of the AP is dash. Answer, 8. Next question. Assertion is sum of first 10 terms of the AP 4, 8, 12, etc. is 220. reason is nth term of AP is A plus n minus 1 into D. Then which statements are correct? Answer: both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Next question. Statement A. Sum of all 11 terms of an AP whose middlemost term is 30 is 330. Statement B. In an AP, sum of n terms Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus n minus 1 into D. Then which statement is correct? Answer: statement A is correct and statement B is false. Next question. If A, B, C are in AP, then 2B is equal to A plus C. Is the statement true or false? Answer: true. Next question. If 7 times of 7th term of an AP is equal to 11 times of 11th term, then its 18th term is dash. Answer: 0. Next question. Arithmetic mean of first 100 natural numbers is dash. Answer: 50.5. Next question. Assertion is 4 is the common difference of AP 5, 9, 13, etc. 185. Reason: the common difference of AP D is equal to AN minus AN minus 1. Which statements are correct? Answer: both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Next question. Statement 1. 3, 6, 9, 12, etc. are in AP. Statement 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, etc. is not an AP. Which statement is correct? Answer: both statements are true. Next chapter, triangles. First question. Give an example for similar figures. Answer: equilateral triangles or circles. Next question. Give an example for non-similar figures. Answer: trapezium and square, or equilateral triangle and right angle triangle. Next question. Name the two figures that are always similar. Answer: circles and squares. Next question. Give an example for non-similarity criterion. Answer: RHS criterion. Next chapter, Introduction to Trigonometry. Now let us learn about trigonometric ratios. Sin theta is equal to opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. Tan theta is equal to opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. Cosecant theta is equal to hypotenuse by opposite side to theta. Secant theta is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side to theta. Cot theta is equal to adjacent side to theta by opposite side to theta. And relation between trigonometric ratios. Sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta. And cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Cos theta is equal to 1 by secant theta. And secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta or sin theta by cos theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta or cos theta by sin theta. Values of trigonometric ratios. Sin 0 is equal to 0. Sin 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. Sin 45 degrees is equal to 1 by root 2. Sin 60 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2. Sin 90 degrees is equal to 1. Cos 0 is equal to 1. Cos 30 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 45 degrees is equal to 1 by root 2. Cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. Cos 90 degrees is equal to 0. Tan 0 is equal to 0. Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan 45 is equal to 1. Tan 60 is equal to root 3. Tan 90 not defined. Cot 0 not defined. Cot 30 root 3. Cot 45 1. Cot 60 1 by root 3. Cot 90 0. Secant 0 1. Secant 30 2 by root 3. Secant 45 root 2. Secant 60 2. Secant 90 not defined. Cosecant 0 not defined. Cosecant 30 2. Cosecant 45 root 2. Cosecant 60 2 by root 3. Cosecant 90 1. Trigonometric identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. We can write so many sub-identities by using these three identities. Next question. Which trigonometric ratio is equal to adjacent side of theta by hypotenuse? Answer. Cos theta. Next question. Sin theta into dash is equal to cos theta. Answer. Cot theta. Next question. The value of sin A is always less than 1. Is it true or false? Answer. True. Next question. In triangle ABC, right angle at C, then the value of tan A plus B is dash. Answer. Not defined. Next question. 9 secant square A minus 9 tan square A is equal to dash. Answer. 9. Next question. In a right angle triangle ABC, if tan A is equal to 1, then angle A is equal to dash. Answer. 45 degrees. Next question. If tan A is equal to not defined, then angle A is equal to. Answer. 90 degrees. Next chapter. Applications of trigonometry. Here are we know about definitions. First definition, line of sight. The line drawn from the eye of an observer to the point in the object viewed by the observer is called line of sight. Next question, define angle of elevation. Answer. When the object is above the horizontal, the angle between the line of sight and the horizontal is called the angle of elevation. Next question. Define angle of depression. When the object is below the horizontal, the angle between line of sight and the horizontal is called the angle of depression. Next question. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meters away from the foot of the tower is 30 degrees. Which trigonometric ratio should be used to find the height of the tower? Answer: tangent. Next question. If the length of the shadow of a man is equal to the height of the man, then the angle of elevation is dash. Answer: 45 degrees. Next question. The ratio of the height of a current pole to the shadow is √3:1. Then the angle of elevation made by the sun is dash. Answer: 60 degrees. Next question. Which of the following situations involves an angle of depression? Situation 1. A bird looking up at the sky. Situation 2. A man looking at the top of a tower in front of him. Situation 3. A girl looking down at a car from the balcony. Situation 4. A person is looking at the top of tree in front of him. Answer: situation 3. That is, a girl looking down at a car from the balcony. Next chapter, circles. First, we are going to learn about some important points about circle. Circle. Definition. A circle is a collection of all points in a plane which are equidistant from a fixed point in the plane. The fixed point is called the center of the circle. Chord. The line segment joining any 2 points on a circle is called a chord. Tangent. The line which passes through only one point of a circle is called tangent of a circle, and that point is called point of contact. No tangent can be drawn to a circle from a point lying inside it. Only one tangent can be drawn to a circle at a point on the circle. 2 tangents can be drawn to a circle from an external point and they are equal in length. A circle can have infinite number of tangents. The lengths of 2 tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. A tangent to a circle is perpendicular to its radius and the point of contact. Conversely, a line drawn through end point of a radius is perpendicular to the length of at that point. Secant. The line which passes through 2 distinct points of a circle is called secant. Next chapter, surface areas and volumes. Here are some important formulae are there. Now first we are going to remember all these formulae. Cube. Lateral surface area of a cube whose side is A is called 4A square. Next, total surface area of a cube whose side is A is 6A square square units. Volume of a cube whose side is A is A cube cubic units. Diagonal of a cube whose side is A is √3A. Cuboid. Lateral surface area of a cuboid whose length, breadth and height are L, B, H respectively is 2H into L plus B square units. Total surface area of a cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH square units. Volume of a cuboid is L into B into H cubic units. Diagonal of a cuboid is root of L square plus B square plus H square. Cone. Curved surface area of a cone is pi RL square units. Total surface area of a cone is pi R into L plus R square units. Volume of a cone is 1/3 pi R square H cubic units. Cylinder. Curved surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi R H square units. Total surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi R into H plus R square units. Volume of a cylinder is pi R square H cubic units. Sphere. Curved surface area of a sphere is 4 pi R square square units. Volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi R cube cubic units. Hemisphere. Curved surface area of a hemisphere is 2 pi R square units. Total surface area of a hemisphere is 3 pi R square units. Volume of a hemisphere is 2/3 pi R cube cubic units. Prism. Lateral surface area of a prism is base perimeter into height square units. Total surface area of a prism is lateral surface area plus 2 into base area. Volume of a prism is base area into height cubic units. Pyramid. Lateral surface area of a pyramid is 1/2 into base perimeter into slant height. Total surface area of a pyramid is lateral surface area plus base area. Volume of a pyramid is 1/3 into base area into height. Next question. The vertical cross section of a cone is dash. Answer: isosceles triangle. Next question. The volume of a cuboid is 440 centimeter cube and the area of its base is 88 centimeter square. Then its height is dash. Answer: 5 centimeters. Next question. Volume of a cube is 125 meter cube. Then its side is dash. Answer: 5 meters. Next question. The volume of a cone is 462 centimeter cube. Its base radius is 7 centimeters. Then its height is dash. Answer: 9 centimeters. Next question. Surface area of a hemisphere having radius r is dash. Answer: 3 pi r square. Next chapter, probability. First question. Define sure event. Answer: the probability of an event which is sure or certain to occur is 1. Such an event is called a sure event or a certain event. Next question. Probability of an impossible event is dash. Answer: 0. Next question. If P is the probability of an event A, then P satisfies. Answer 0 less than or equal to P less than or equal to 1. Next question. If P of E is equal to 0.65, then what is P of not E? Answer 0.35. Next question. If an event cannot occur, then its possibility is dash. Answer 0. Next question. For any event E, P of E plus P of E bar is equal to dash. Answer 1. Next question. In tossing a fair coin, once the probability of getting head is dash. Answer 1/2. Next question. The sum of the probabilities of all elementary events of an experiment is dash. Answer 1. All the best.